Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving deep into the top 5 best spot welding machines available on the market, all designed to enhance your productivity and precision for various welding projects. Whether you're working with batteries, metal, or plastics, having the right spot welder can make a world of difference in your work. All the product links are in the description below, so feel free to explore and find what suits your needs best. This carefully curated list is based on our personal views, focusing on aspects such as ratings, reviews, sales orders, price, quality, durability, and more, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Number 5, we have the Glitter 801H Spot Welder, which is a robust machine weighing just 3.95 kilograms. This unit is designed specifically for battery spot welding, boasting a maximum rated capacity of 19.8 kVA and an impressive peak current of 3,500 AS, allowing it to effectively handle materials like stainless steel up to zero point 0.5 millimeters thick. The Glitter 801H features multiple welding modes, including aluminum nickel and nickel-nickel welding, making it incredibly versatile for different applications. Its user-friendly design includes adjustable preloading delay times ranging from 100 to 500 milliseconds, which helps you tailor your welding process to suit your specific requirements. Plus, with support for various input voltages, this welder is adaptable to different power sources, making it a great choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 4, we have the 811H Spot Welding Machine, which utilizes cutting-edge, high-frequency inverter technology to maximize energy output while minimizing interference with the AC power supply. This machine can deliver up to an astounding 7,000 A of pulse welding current, making it capable of welding materials with remarkable efficiency. One of its standout features is the intelligent program that combines a multifunctional parameter display screen, allowing you to monitor and adjust settings with ease. You can choose between automatic welding, ideal for extensive battery welding tasks, or foot pedal control for more precise adjustments, giving you flexibility for a variety of welding applications. The energy gathering pulse technology ensures that solder joints are formed quickly and reliably, with deep penetration and no blackening, making it an excellent choice for clean, high quality welds. Number 3, we present the Glitter 801D Spot Welding Machine, a compact and efficient option weighing 3.8 kilograms. This machine is particularly suitable for smaller tasks, with a maximum welding thickness of 0.35 millimeters, making it a solid choice for various applications. It features a mobile soldering pen, allowing for flexibility and ease of use, while the peak pulse power of 238J ensures strong and reliable welds. The adjustable energy level function offers you the ability to fine-tune your welding process, adapting to different materials and thicknesses seamlessly. With a quick charge time of just 20 to 30 minutes using a special adapter, this machine is designed for both professional and DIY projects, making it a valuable tool in any workshop. Number 2, we have the SUNKKO 737G Spot Welding Machine, which stands out with its robust construction and user-friendly design. Weighing in at 5.5 kilograms, it's compact yet powerful, with a digital display that makes monitoring your settings straightforward. This machine is capable of handling a maximum welding thickness of 0.2 millimeters, making it particularly effective for welding 18650 battery packs. The adjustable welding current range allows for precise control, enabling you to fine-tune the process according to the material and thickness. Its pulse options, including single and double pulse settings, enhance versatility, while the foot pedal control provides a hands-free operation that's perfect for extensive tasks. The SUNKKO 737G is not only efficient, but also built for longevity, making it a fantastic investment for anyone serious about battery spot welding. Finally, at number 1, we have the RBAY KH2870Z Spot Welding Machine, a standout in the field of ultrasonic welding with an output power of 700 watts. This machine features an innovative portable design, enabling one-handed operation for increased convenience. Its fully automatic tracking system is a game changer, as it eliminates the need for manual frequency adjustments, ensuring consistent and reliable performance throughout repetitive tasks. With a strong emphasis on quality, the KH2870Z is suitable for a wide range of applications, including riveting, sealing, and more, across various materials like plastics and metals. The design incorporates a sturdy all-steel shell with aluminum heat dissipation, ensuring durability and efficient cooling during operation. Plus, with a generous 2-year warranty and lifelong maintenance support, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're investing in a reliable machine backed by comprehensive customer service. Thanks for tuning in to this video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest product reviews and updates.